Hi everybody, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I am sharing a video that was inspired by a card that I recently made using a stencil that had a lot of open space, and I stamped within it. So this is an anniversary card that I made. My anniversary is coming up October 1st, so I hope that you can enjoy this. I would absolutely love to go over all the details with you guys in the video, but I am still recovering and struggling to speak consistently without coughing. So take a look at the video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. You can also head over to my blog and post questions there. And again, I'll be responding to any questions. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video and find some inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe.